So today is last day here in the Philippines. So it's time to going back to Macau. So as of now, mga Pangyaw, nandito kami sa Skyway. So in 30 minutes, nandun na kami sa airport. Kaya bye bye Philippines. See you on next year. Wait. Who's in the chat? Mega love shout out everyone. Hey, how are you? Who in the chat? Thank you for your giving thumbs up. And please don't forget to like and share. Who's in the chat? Can you please, how's my audio, or everything is clear? Wait. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Hindi ko pala nabuksan yung aking microphone. Hey, 2 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Guys, please comment if my signal and audio is loud and clear. So okay, let's see. Like and share. Hey, flying circus. Looks sounds good. Okay, thank you. Thank you. How are you today, flying circus? Right now, where are you? Are you? Oh, night. I know. Are you in the US, right? So it's almost night. I'm not sure. Ay. Wait. Yes. Okay. So why you still awake? It's almost night in US, right? All 11 here. It's all in your time. It's about 10 a.m. right? End of the long day. Yeah. Take a rest and sit and watch in my life. So how was your day? Flying circle. So this is the way going to airport. As you can see in my title, by Philippines. Yes. And see you on next year. Thank you for dropping by, flying. Two weeks is almost, very short vacation. Usually if you are so busy and every single day, so it's okay as long you enjoy in the short vacation. How about you, flying? Are you went already, or are you going, did you visit already here in the Philippines, or still not? Hopefully someday. Busy, a lot of driving. Yeah, usually. Then took me circuit to dinner. Okay, hopefully next year if you want. That's why I told you the last time, everyone wants to meet up. I'm free. It's a not big deal. Hi sis, saan ka na? Skyway, sis Mars, going to airport. So good afternoon, Irene. Eileen? Who you are, Eileen? Thank you for dropping by, Eileen. Irene, latte. And good afternoon, Tamsak. Thank you, Irene. Thank you. I've been to Philippines. Ah, where you are? Where you living here in the Philippines? Really? So are you married Filipina? Or sis? Yes, sis Marsh going to airport. Guys, don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Yeah, this is easy way and convenient. Usually if you are hate traffic, so this is the Skyway, very fast. I think almost 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. Ah, bakit di mo sinabi dito ka pala sa Yes, the last time, remember sis, I doing almost how many live? Hello everyone. And also the last time, Serge, you messaged me in my messenger, and then you said, oh, you stay VG. Yeah, during that time I already in here in the Philippines. Sis Mars. Actually, I'm going back to Macau now. So, thank you, Sis Mars. How about you, Sis Mars? Are you ready to meet up with Brother Serge? He said the last time I'm asking to him, he said hopefully after 3 years. Hello everyone coming. Yes, I'm here. Thank you everyone for your support and give a thumbs up. Irene, where are you from? Irene, by the way, if you don't mind. Thank you, Irene. Latte. Okay, hindi mo ako chat. Sana kita tayo. Yes, sis, by the way, Mars Bangkod, really, you know, I'm so busy that the 2 weeks for me is so very, very short. So that's why. Hi, Cisco. Mega love shout out. Hey, sis Wishy. Hi, sis Maria. Stay safe. Thank you, sis Wishy. Okay, I want to. So now here with my son and Jason. Actually, this guys, every time I'm going here in the Philippines, this is the best, and I always, you know, dropping by, going to my place. So yeah, thank you, Cisco. Hi, Cisco. How are you today? Hi, sis Wishy. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Thank you, sis Wishy. Cisco, may hello. Yes, that's why, you know, almost how many years? 3? 3 years, yes. Hey! What's going on? Captain Billy Jack, mega love shout out. Hello, I'm so sorry. Yes. How about you, Captain Billy Jack? Are you still in Bohol? Guys, don't forget, like and share. Hopefully, Billy, you and Sis Wishy, we will meet up also. Right, Sis Wishy? Hey, where you are right now, Billy? Sis Mars. I'm good, sis. Going to where? Bed? Hope you have a great You mean, are you still not yet sleeping? Wow. Where are you going last night, Billy? Cisco, I'm good, sis. Going to bed. Flying Cisco, I like that. The big Kelvin. Ah, okay. Ayan. Wait. Video. Good job. Okay, I will check later flying circuit, because I just using my phone, and I will check your latest video. Okay. Okay. Hello, Wishy. Hi, Cisco International. Time from Sis Mars Bangkut. Mars Sari Store. Hi, sis. I mean, flying sleeper collaboration. Why sleeper? Sis Wishy. Are you wish? Wishy? Which? Huh? You're using your broom to flying? like a witch. Hey, hello, Wishy. So very fast, really. As you can see this, no traffic, because normally here in the Philippines, traffic anywhere. It's normal. Usually the traffic there. Hey, Cisco, Sis Mars, hello, shout out. Yes. Are you still here in the Philippines? Yes, brother Captain Billy Jack. Yes, Sis Mars. I think in Bohol, right, Billy? And then when you planning to next destination, Billy, by the way? Would be cute collaboration. Yeah, yes, Sis Wishy. I'm in my sleeper throwing on Billy Jack. Really, Sis Wishy? Why? There's something? Yes, Mars store. Okay. Hopefully, Billy, you planning to go to Macau, right? Because in here in the Philippines, you are so busy. Every single day, you are busy going anywhere. So, hopefully, you come in Macau. Thank you, everyone. Next stop, back to Cebu to fly home end of the month. Miss home. Yeah, I think you miss your father, Billy. So sorry. My brother, wow, yes. So enjoy every single day, moment, time, minutes, he can see. Yeah, right? No, I have no idea to go there. Oh, really? So I know what is the reason why. So come from Shiswishi. What? There is no place like home. Baki Jack. Billy Jack. I will tell. Wait. I will tell you next time. I'm in Hong Kong. Ah, okay. It's okay, no problem. I know. Just inform me earlier, and you know, I need to arrange about that. If you are in Hong Kong, yeah. By the way, I told you already before how many all minutes only Macau to Hong Kong. So yeah, it's okay. As long I Saturday or Sunday, yeah, that is my available day. So hopefully, Jubilee. How's your Jowawa, Billy? Okay. Si Bangkod, actually, I want to, but really, when I went to Manawag, I am so very weak because Thursday night I went there, and then Thursday morning, I know, Tuesday, I think Tuesday, I'm not sure, sorry. I think Tuesday night, I went to Manawag, and then Wednesday, arrange my daughter place house. So I'm very short this March. Hopefully next year. Sorry, I know. I remember I told you we'll meet up around here in the Philippines, but I cannot really. So hopefully next year this March. Okay. Okay. Yes, miss your wish. Place like home. I'm excited to go. Deer hunting, yeah. It's almost, I think, starting in winter, right? In the Chicago, Billy. Very near now, guys. So we'll see. Yes, Miss Yuishi, I wish no place like home. Excited to go deer hunting deer. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like and share. Thank you to everyone for dropping by. Even this is a short live. and happy weekend to everyone. This is Mars. Yes, this is Mars. Hopefully next year. Yeah. Because really, 2 weeks it's not long. So very short. Going to bed, sis. Safe travel and see you again soon. Yeah, thank you, Cisco. Good night and sweet dream. And regards to your wife, Cisco. Maayong buntag. Yeah, it's almost Nia. Pasay na to, no?
Yes.
Yeah. It's almost Pasay. Thank you. I will playing your latest videos, Cisco. By the way, if I'm already on Macau, because right now I'm so busy. We'll see. Also my luggage. So thank you, Cisco, and good night. Sweet dreams. Pag na ano ko, kung kain muna kayo. Tapos, check-in muna ako, pasok muna ako ha. Tapos, kain muna kayo. So, tapos, lalabas ako. Pagka tapos ko ma-check-in, maano ko yung mga luggage ko. Labas ako. If ever magkaroon ng aberya. Kasi ano na eh. Tignan ko muna kung ano oras mo check-in para maano ko lang yung luggage.
Bali sa arrival po ako mag-cover. Bababa ko muna sa departure. Tapos baba kami arrival.
Oh, sige. Contact na lang kita. Ay, ano ka naman, no?
Messenger ako.
Let's drink.
Check mo yung sinend ko mo sa GC.
Ay, hindi mo lang tayo nagkita uli. Ria, by this time, Ria, nung pumunta ako yata nung sa yun, busy ako. Kahit gustuin kitang puntahan dyan, alam ko nandiyan ka. Thank you. Next time na lang, next year. Ria. Magbabayad talaga. Okay na yan.
Tapos okay. Pagbalik.
Pagbalik okay na rin. Thank you, Cisco. Pusoy na mo. Toll gate lang din ito. Kaya anong oras ba? 12:15. Abot yan. Thank you, Sis Mars. Balikan lang din kami nung Sis Mars, nung nasa Manawag ako. Kasi Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules. Oo, ganun. Mabilisan lang, Sis Mars. Kaya kulang-kulang yung oras, araw. Sobrang daming inasikaso, Sis Mars. Billy, why nothing? Later, Billy. How many days? Yes. How many days you will stay in Cebu? You said right now you are in Bohol, right? So until 1 week or end of this month, going back to Chicago. Why you did not meet up with Wishy, Billy? Probably, I cannot see. Probably no, or more play. Wait, kumapasok. Bakit hindi ka kumapasok? Wait. Probably a week. Number 4, sure plan yet. I just know what day I fly out. Okay. He has what in love. They are you cute couple. Why wish Billy? Are you jealous? Billy, don't be jealous na. You are number 1, Billy. Yeah. Are you enjoying Bohol right now, Billy?
Sa mga, Balintawak. Sorry.
Ano? Next, you go to Manila, brother Billy, Jack. Let me in. Let me it okay for you. Okay, Bohol Rock is such a beautiful island. It is a paradise for me. For real. Oh, really? So, if ever you planning going back here in Philippines again, destination in Bohol. Sis Mars, are you in the right now? Are you in Manila? Sis Mars? Mars, sorry, store. We will see. I'll be back. No, later than January. Okay, by January. So, you will direct or I like to fly into Clark, not Manila. Okay. Yeah, Angeles, Pampanga. Diyan ba tayo? So as you can see guys, I'm here already. Hi Maria, hi Bruce, Daves, everyone. So now I'm here already in Aquino International Airport. Ay, why I'm close my cam? Sorry guys. Wait. Ay. Bakit? Sis Maria, I'm in Cagayan Valley. Yeah, in Tuguegarao City. Same with place with my sister. Hi Sis Marsh, come from Bruce. How are you today, Bruce? Hello Bruce, come from Captain Billy Jack. Okay, brother Billy. Hey Bruce. Hi Billy Jack, how are you doing? Doing great, brother. And you? Mega love shout out, Brother Bruce, Daves. I'm good, thank you. So right now I'm here in airport, Aquino International Airport. So I will show you guys. This is new, Aquino International Airport. Ninoy Aquino pa rin ba? Okay. Yes, still Ninoy Aquino International Airport. How are you, Bruce? Thank you for dropping by, Brother Bruce. I'm good, thank you. Billy Jack, I got a black again from Rishi. I'm not sure why, but oh, I will heard loss. As you can see, guys, I'm here now. Na-play na yung video ko. Probably Brett doing. Really? I thought Dave, Bruce, you and Billy is best friend. You're a little snake. How are you doing, sis Mars? Okay na. Ito na tayo. Ito na. Magkakaalaman na. Bunso, kuha mo ako ng ano.
Ano?
Yun o.
Ha?
Ay,
Okay.
thank you. So, saan tayo? Dito, saan no?
Wait lang. Ang galing.
I'm here already in airport. Ha? Ganun? Ito naman eh, mayroon. Ito na lang. Bababa lang. Huwag kang OA. Kikiluin ko muna yan bago. Pwede na magtanggal, no?
Ako na. Wait lang ako.
Ay, bunga! Hulog. Lagay mo muna nga dyan. Mamaya na ako mag-aanak. Ayusin ko pa yung aking ano. Pwede yata dito?
Hindi mo.
Ayan o. Pababa siya, di ba? Mabilisan lang. Buso.
Wow, wait lang.
Bilisan mo. Hindi yung wait lang. Bilisan mo. Excuse me. Ay.
Ako naman, ako naman.
Okay na. Thank you. Son, yung laptop ko. Laptop. Ha? Laptop. Ayun na. Yan. Yung buwa, oh. Yang ano yung tawag doon? Akin na yung ano. Baka magkaano.
Kasama to?
Oo. Diyan mo ilagay yung ano. Yung Starbucks.
Saan ba ito, tita? Kasama ko muna?
Oh, hindi. Ako yan ko muna dito. Dito lang naman ito sa labas.
Arrival ako.
Oh, sige. Diyan sabihin niya. How's the Philippines? It's okay, Bruce. Mas ka dito. Ay, asa dyan ang cellphone? Madali lang ah. Repeat. Hindi pwede yung hindi possible. Mag-ano lang.
Messenger lang.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Pwede siya doon sa gate 8, ma'am.
Hindi kasi ever na meron akong luggage ko. Para maano lang. Sandali lang
sa
naman.
loob, ma'am. Mag-iwan. Dito na lang siya maiwan sa labas.
Ay, hindi talaga pwede.
Okay.
Ito.
Sir, ipasok mo yun.
Ito.
Macau ka
Hmm.
airport siya.
Ito. Ayan. Mamaya na. Mamaya na muna. Hintayin nyo na lang muna ako dyan. Sige na. Sabi mo kay Jay, ay ano. Mamaya na ako. Kasi magkikita pa kami ni Jason. Mag-check in lang ako. Saan yung kiluhan? Ah, dito.
He's still driving. We're doing sabotage. I gave all the money to
17 plus 29.
for the travel tax. Even the 100.
Sakto. I have a 50 luggage, so
Dito lang po kayo.
Excuse me, pwede magtanong? Yung sa ano, tawag. Kasi check into ko 50 kilos. So total on 50. Paano yung handbag ng kaya? Ano? Kaya pero mag-exist for 15 kilos, magbabayad pa rin naman for yung so ito sa pwede na to, pwede ba ito ilagay sa luggage? Kasama sa 50 kilos, total in all. Paparap? Eh, ano kasi ito yung mga pagkain? Para mas better. Yun na nga, inano ko na nga eh. Ano? So, meron naman akong dala, okay lang. Okay. Thank you. So, still I'm not lacking if ever we have some problems. So, yes. I just leave it like this.
Oh, ang bigat niya no ah.
Hindi, ano pa lang ito? 33. 30. Ay, hindi. 28. Eh, 50 kilos naman. Kaya, yun.
Kaya niyo pa yan?
Oo. Kasi, okay lang po. Eh, ano ka na ako? Yung may kasama. So, ito naman daw pwede kasama sa 50 kilos. So, usually mga pagkain. Okay naman. So, yeah. Yeah. Thank you po. Kayo po, sa kayo po ba? Saan tayo?
Dubai po.
Dubai. Ako Macau. Back to work. Vacation. Very short vacation.
Ano mo yan?
Hmm?
Ay, bakit?
Byuda na po ako. Almost.
Kumuha nila kayo ulit ng panibago.
Hindi na ako sa pangatlo.
May anak ko ba ilan o?
Apat. Ando na rin sa Macau.
Mahirap din naman yung ano, yung kasama. Aalisin kayo, ano?
Hindi na rin ako ng anak ko.
Oo, ano?
Ay, kasi ngayon, hand carry, saka handbag. Include lang. 7 kilo. Yan, meron ako 9.5. Sana maano na yan na. Last, kasi nung last na uwi ko papunta dito, ay, kadali lang pa. 30 kilos ako, pero according sa may ano ko, 27. Ay, okay na po. So, anong nangyari? Nag-iwan yung hand carry lang pa.
Hindi mo nakita.
Hindi, pinaiwan talaga nila. So, kasi nga daw yun ang rules. Ano lang.
Lang.
Hindi.
Ay, sobra.
Kailangan hand carry and handbag. Include na yun, 7 kilo lang. So, yun. At least ito, pinag-choose ko na talaga to ng 50 kilos para if ever magka-aberya. Ayan, okay na. Nakilo ko na. Accurate naman yung ano yan.
Ayan.
Mm. So, yun.
Po, ingat.
Di rin po. Kayo rin po, ingat.
Kami papunta pa lang.
Papunta pa lang. Napakasandali yung 2 weeks. Bakasyon, ang bilis. Kaya yan. Sige po, ingat din. God bless. Thank you. Nag-ano tayo, nagbablog. So guys, my luggage actually it's already 50 kilos. So no excess, no. So we'll see in my hand carry will allowing almost 7 kilo. But my hand carry and my handbag. Bye Maria, safe travel. Thank you Billy. Thank you. Hi Kahilab, big love shout out. Hello. Hello, Kahilab. Yes. Maria, where are you flying to? Macau. I'm going back to Macau. Bruce, I'm a kind of travel out of the time. I need to go home, unwind now. From okay. Bye, Maria. So, sorry guys for the short because my internet is not stable. But I have still data, but I don't know, connecting from here. So now I'm back. Thank you everyone. Thank you Billy. Thank you Kahilab. Thank you Bruce. Thank you Sis Mars. Bruce, I'm going back to Macau. Ingat sis, have a safe trip. Thank you sis Mars. Thank you, thank you. Ay Jason, wait Jason. Hello, naririnig mo ka? minunute kanina. Ano ba yan? O yan, uli, uli.
Nakamute po pala kanina kasi
Sige, ulit mo uli.
nakamute po eh.
Ayan,
Shoutout
ayan.
po dyan sa mga kamag-anak ko. Dito po.
Nakamute pala.
Nagtatrabaho po.
O yan, ulit mo uli. Ano pangalan mo?
Ang pangalan ko po is Vince Aldrin Nicolas alias Monay.
Ay, sila.
Ito po si Karen Casis. Ito po si Camille Lickdown. Si Shin, ano po siya? Si Shin Ponce.
Ayan, mega love
Shoutout po sa inyo,
shoutout.
ah.
Thank you.
See you! Bye-bye!
Thank you. So, ayan. So, going. Oh my God. Napakahaba na ng pila. Wow. Hindi ko alam kung babalik ba ako. Ano? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my God. Ay, babalik ako pinaano. Babalik pa rin ba o pipila ulit? Nandun na isa kong luggage. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Now it's good. Okay. So I just leave it here. So I need to get my food. Panoorin natin, may nag-TV. Maria Rizal din ako. Finally sound. Anong name mo? Noseman? Okay, I'll check. Ano kita? Connect kita? Ha? Hindi? Hindi nga. Pwede bang mag-ano? Iwan ko dito? Ka ba, oh, yan. Yes. Sakto lang. Basta ang importante sa inyo.
May malaki na.
Oo.
Dami na, ma'am. Ilan na, ma'am?
Sumasahod mo.
Sumasahod na si ate. No. Magkano nakita mo? Ilan na, ma'am? Followers, ma'am?
3,000 plus. Konti lang, pero at least
Magkano naman na yung sinasahod pag ano mo? Depende sa views. Ay,
depende sa views sa ano, sa pag-on sa ano, subscriber. Saka depende sa mga video.
Pag may nag-ano, subscribe na kita.
Thank you. Pwede iwan ko lang muna to. Wala. Okay. 7 ways I just take it my food, okay?
Shout out tayo. Hindi na kayo edit yan. Hindi na i-edit yan mo. Hindi na kayo edit yan. Ay, ito yung lagi yun. Ito yung lagi. Baka meron tayo dyan. Kanina ka. Ayan o. Ay, po sir o. Tumingin sa camera ko. Ayan o. Nakikita ko. Naka-vlog. Ayan o. Ayan o. Kanya na naglakad ka tapos ka. Balik ka ulit. Tingnan mo. Narinig mo. Tinigyan mo kasi. Ayun talaga. Tignan mo. Yun yung anak ko siguro kanina yun.
Let's eat, everyone. Yes. Let's eat. I'm so hungry. At least now it's good. Anyway, I check in already my my luggage. Yeah, waiting for the border. Stress. It's okay. At least enjoy. Vacation short. It's okay. Let's eat 7 ways. Okay, who's in the chat? Finally sound. Yeah, I don't know. I thought I already mute, but now that my sound is good, right? Hi, Mom Mute, Chacha, Mega Love shout out. Kuya Bob, good morning. How are you today, Kuya Bob? Hey, halfway. Try mo rin. Ha?
Ayoko dyan.
Ha? Ay, gaganyan ka ba? Nag-wave? Ikaw si Mami Cha-Cha-Cha? Si Mami Cha-Cha? Ikaw yon? Ha? Ikaw si Mami Cha-Cha?
Ay, hindi po.
Ah, hindi ba? Kala ko ikaw si Mami Cha-Cha.
Ay, may video sabi niya.
So guys, now you unmuted. But we then mute again 10 seconds. No, 7 ways. That is a signal problem. I'm not muted. I'm not because we have a problem with the signal. Yeah.
Ay, po, sabi ko. Ticket lang. Mag-ano ako kaya.
He also going to Hong Kong.
Hello
Yeah.
po.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I did not mute actually. That's why. Yeah. This is OFW Lodge. So you can eat. We have a bread. We have a congee. So it's okay at least. Because still I'm waiting for my order. So yeah. Hi Emily. Baba. Hello po. Hello. Mega love shout out. Emily. Yeah, that is Emily. Working from in Hong Kong, 7 ways. Yeah, she work in Hong Kong. Guys, I just leave it like this, okay? I need to eat. So, yeah. Waiting. Balik mong gagawa ka? Nakuha mo na yung ano mo? Ripan? OFW Ripan?
Meron ba?
Anong airline ka?
I-change ko lang ako. Pero may voice kami.
Nakukuha mo yun. Anong airline?
Cebu.
Cebu? Oh, check nyo. Sayang, quality.
Saan natin?
Punta mo sa airline. Tanong mo sa Cebu Pacific. Meron. 550. Tanong nyo na para makuha niyo. Ano oras ang flight na?
Bukas pa, madali na.
Ay, kung ano, lakarin mo na yan. Sayang.
Saan kayo pwede magtanong?
Cebu mismo. Mismo Cebu airline.
Cebu Airlines? Sige, complete ka pa yung parang ang makomplete yung paano yung kapakan na kami. Narinig yung vlog.
Oo, sayang din yan.
Ay, 450 na pala. Yun yung sinasabi nila sa akin.
Masayang yan, Ripan. 550.
Nakuha mo na.
Ngayon kukunin ko.
Ano yung pinilang doon?
Air Asia ako eh.
E-card yun.
Alin? Oo. Wala pa akong e-card.
Ako din. Kumuha ka ma.
Doon ako kuha sa Macau. Macau. Bakit ano, bukas pa ang flight niya?
Yun ang available na flight ng
Hong Kong? Ay, ka.
Kaya di ka lang stress. Bakit kaya nga? Kasi confirm.
8 hours?
Kasi Isabela po Manila. Kawain ka kasi doon sa amin. Na-cancel. Kasi lakas ng ulan sa kapon.
Oo nga, kapon. Ano, Wednesday, galing ako Manawag. Kasi pumunta ako doon Wednesday, tapos
Tapos
travel
really
ako.
book kami. Ito na yung flight namin.
Ang haba.
Vlogs yan. Kuya, ay sir. Vlogs yan.
Hindi ka pa dito, sir. Okay. Vlogger yan si ma'am eh.
Vlogger si ma'am.
Vlogger ka, ma'am?
Yan. Ano mo? Ano mo?
Nanood ka sa live na siya.
Ano mo?
Jordan.
Jordan. Ay, from OWA. Oh, Sir Jordan from OWA. Mega love shout out. Ayan, from OWA.
Hindi ka na mag-upload.
Wow. Mas masarap pa rin. Yung pag-vlog naman yung video. No. Okay lang. Ha?
So, bansa ko ka ba?
Naka. Ano? Nandun na yung mga anak ko. Ano isa na lang ba't yung travel ko?
Ilan po mo gusto mo?
14 years. 6 years sa Hong Kong, 14 years sa Macau.
Hindi na ba residents mo?
Hindi, working pa rin ako. Ano na, tawag ba nyo? Nahirap na mag... Hello, Miss Emily. Time from 7 days. Nasaan ka na? Saan ka sa ano, Hong Kong?
Sa bawang mo po, ito ko.
Ah, sa Kolong ko. May territory.
Greenland po.
Ay, oh, Greenland. Oo.
Yung dating address po sa bawang.
Ilan taong ka na sa Hong Kong?
2 years po.
Hmm? Tagal ka pa. Enjoy ka naman sa Hong Kong.
Enjoy po.
Ang daming temptation.
Malaki sahod. Malaki sahod. Talaga naman. I admit. Malaki sahod. Mother. Saka mo naman na.
Ang Macau and Hong Kong, hindi nagkahala yun sa ano kami, stay out. Hindi dito kaya mag-stay. Mag-stay ka dito. Hanggang bukas. Ang dami ng Hong Kong. Dami tapos ano? Oo.
Baka na yung sabi mo,
Meron meron na nag-away yung mga babae at lalaki dahil sa utang nasa Central Pinoy.
Karami ng phone ko ate, inaawang kinagawan mga lalaki.
Hindi lalaking pinagawayan, utang.
Pero hindi mawawala yan ate. Ay ma'am, hindi mawawala.
Content pa, ang daming temptation. Oh! Andiyan ang ano, Pacific, andiyan ang Pride.
Ano yun?
Ang dami. Ang dami. Kaya, nasa sa'yo rin yun.
Hirap magtayo.
Kaano lang, kagabi, pinost, nag-aaway. Ay, ngayon! Dahil daw sa utang. Pasok na ako. Para makuha ko pa yung ano ko. Repan.
Saan?
Or Asia.
Anong elevation kayo? May Pacific ba kami patuwan?
I-add nyo na ngayon. Habang may aura pa kayo.
Pacific daw yun. Mamaya pagkatapos na ano namin,
Ano rin yun? 550 rin yun.
matry na ako.
Oo, sayang yan ha. Balik mong gagawa.
Sabi ba kamamay ko, mag-isa mo.
Check nyo, sayang. Pangkain nyo rin yun, no?
Malakos namin sa debate.
Kapalit nyo, magkano rin yan? Buti nag-check-in ako na maaga.
Nakatikin ka na gano'n?
Tapos na. Ando na yung luggage ko.
Anong oras flight mo?
4:20. Ayun na. Happy check-in. Waiting for border na ako. Waiting na lang. I-travel. Meron kayo?
Iwan natin yung jacket para sabi nila may nakaupo.
Lakit lang.
Ate, iwan namin. Talagang lalaki na yung
Lalabas pa? Si At?
Kasi ang pakasi niya, July 1. Kaya lang, bakit siya sa kanila? 7. Ano siya?
Pasok na ako, ano? Kayo, ingat. See you. Tapos na. Importante na busog. Na libre. So guys, I'm here in OFW Lodge. So free food. So eat all you can. So now, waiting for the order. Boarding, not border, boarding. Oh, sorry. Boarding. So I'm done. So let's go. This is a free food for OFW. So as you can see, saan ba? Saan nilalagay yung ano? Ay, sorry. Wala naman. I need to put this one. Wala, dito na lang siguro. Okay, going out na. Thank you. Ano ba dito? Excuse me, ma'am. Diyan lang po ilalagay mga plate? O saan pwede ilagay?
Ang alin?
Etong po pinagkanan.
Ay, doon pa sa likod.
Ah, sa likod? Okay. Thank you po. Yung pala, meron pala. Dito. Ayun. So, ayan. Ay, dito. Dito po. Okay. Thank you sa food. Thank you sa food. Okay, going out. Ay, pwede palang may juice. Free juice. We have a soft drinks. I know. Juice, coffee, and water. You can get. And it's a free. So, pineapple, I think. Hindi pala pineapple. Ano ba to? Iba? Hindi pineapple. Ewan ko, check mo rin. Iba. Yan ang pineapple.
Pineapple.
Ayan ang pineapple. Ito hindi. Okay, sayang. Sayang. Busin na lang. Tapon na lang po dito. Apo, thank you. Thank you, OFW. Thank you sa food and drinks. Pwede? Thank you. Kayo, baka gusto niyo i-shout out. Ito, sa YouTube. Sige lang, okay lang. Ano name mo? Ano pangalan mo? Joya? Jonah, shout out. Thank you para sa food. Ikaw, ano pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan mo, Pink?
Paul, ayan, shout out Paul. Thank you sa serving. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Yes. Ayan, may free food, drinks. So, for OFW at you want to charge, ayan din, meron. No charge. Free. Pwede, libre. So now we're going out. What?
Now serving number 707 and number 709.
Man, out na po. Pwede pong manghingi na ano, ng, ano ba yan?
Now serving number
Ay,
707.
yung,
Mag-apply ng e-card.
opo, e-card.
Sa Black Web sa step 1 po kayo.
Ay, sa Macau pwede po nun.
Sa Black na i-use po.
Ay, sa Macau na lang po.
Ay,
Macau.
kung saan kayo pupunta?
Oo. So, wala na po. Okay na po. Thank you. Excuse me. Going out. Immigration. Bye-bye. So, now entering... Ay, may bag ako doon. Doon ako?
Sa kabila po.
Dito.
Kanan, apo.
Kala ko. Thank you. So, that is free food. If you want to rest, you want to charge. So, yes, free. That is for all of W. Guys. So, if you are OFW, you are included from that free food, everything, charge, take a rest. So, if you are long travel or your destination so far, so you can take a rest from here. So now, I'm done. I'm checking already my luggage. Going to boarding. So, I need to get my hand carry bag. Hopefully, I need to arrange the hand carry bag. Just only two bag allowed. So, yes. Hello po. Kunin ko na. Yung ano yan, yung SM bag. Ayun. Thank you. Thank you. Pwedeng dalhin ko na lang din to. Okay. Ayun, hindi na. Basura to. Hindi na itapon ng anak ko. Yung isang plastic kinuha. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Wait lang. Shout out sa mga nagbabantay ng luggage namin. Ayan. Shout out. Thank you. Saan ang mama mo?
Sa bahay po.
Sa bahay? Saan bahay? Okay lang. Walang problema. Sa bahay lang pala. Saan lugar?
Sa Taguig.
Taguig. Ayan. Shout out sa nanay ni...
Renjan po.
Ayan, NJ. Ang nanay niya nasa Taguig. Ikaw? Hindi, okay lang. Huwag ka mahiya. Sige. Bilantay mo yung gamit ko eh. Ikaw naman. Ano pangalan mo?
Mario po.
Mario. Ayan. Shout out. Sa nanay mo? Ha?
BCJ. Taguig po.
Taguig. Ayan. Shout out din sa nanay niya ni Mario. Ayan. So, ayan. Thank you sa pagbantay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. So, ayan. Usually, guys, if you leave your hand carry, so you can leave your hand carry from here. So, there's a Filipino to take care of all the hand carry luggage. So, yun. Bye! Thank you! Bye-bye! So, yes. So, now 7 ways. going to boarding. Yes, I'm going. So I'm done. So satisfied for the food. Thank you. Paper. Where I'm going. Thank you everyone, guys. So I'm going to boarding. Yeah, I need to turn off now. Excuse me. I need to kilo again. Hand carry, only 7 kilos.
이거 넣으면 20.8이라서.
11 and my Hi. Bakit? Thank you. 15 kilo. Okay. Okay, now 15 kilos, so
Talo ko, pinapadulang ako pumasok eh.
thank you, 5 million people in the house. So I'm going inside now in immigration. Wait, I need to put my bag. Immigration.
Okay na yan.
Hindi, kapa ako eh. Pinapay doon.
Aalisin ba to? Inano ko ba sa lives, tapos iniwan. Tapos
Hindi
ano?
mo? Okay na yan.
Hindi.
Tanggalin mo na.
Tanggalin na? Okay.
Ano sa OFW?
Oo, OFW. Yun. Check-in ko, ba't parang nadadagdagan yung ano ko? Bayad ako 15 kilo. Hand-carry. Hand-carry, ba't kanin ko muna? Makaupo. 15 kilo. Tapos ako, check-in na ako.
Ano na papasok?
Boarding. Opo. So, kailangan, kwiluhin uli.
Di ba sir, kahit ang yung bagay?
Ay, pwede.
Pag sumaba, hindi ko tingin.
Ilang kilo ka? Ilang kilo ang ano mo?
6 international.
Luggage? O pwede, ako nga 50. Pasok.
International.
Domestic.
May allowable baggage ko sa domestic.
Tatlo po yung first.
Tatlo pwede.
O pwede.
Tatlo.
Sa 60. Oo. Hand carry handbag. Isang dalawang bag lang. 7 kilo lang. Hindi ka pwede mag-exist sa handbag, hand carry.
Kung nakalagay po kasi doon yung isang bagay, dapat 20 kg yung
Oo, 20-20. Ganun mo.
Ito po kasi 25, tapos itong dalawa po 15-15.
O pwede. Okay lang. Basta wag kang exist sa 60 kilo.
Okay lang po yun.
Oo, pwede. Wag lang exist. Oo. Hand luggage, pwede 30 kilo daw. Pwede. Yun. Inano ko, parachute. Kung tatanong ko pa rin, kasi nagbayad ako ng 1/4. 15 kilo. Pero 15-50, paano yun? Oo, ba't 15 naging 15? Kanina sakto 15. It's just pang sobra pa lang. Hindi na ako nagdagdag kasi it's like check-in ko na lahat. Ba't ito?
Ano ba yan? 15 kilos siya.
15.50.
Ilan ba alam sa inyo?
15.
7.
Ha? Hindi, nagbayad ako ng 1/4.
Para maging 15 kilos ang head.
Okay na to? Okay.
Pakita mo sa kanila, ma'am.
Mayroon po ako, resibo. Okay na. Nagbayad, 1/4. Okay na. Ilang kilo ka? Hindi, ilang kilo ka? 23? Ang carry set. Ang carry, ang bag set. Sakto lang, hindi ko mag-exist.
Ano pong care?
Okay siya. Lahat. Lahat. Ganun daw ang rules. Pag nag-exist, ang provide ka. Ako kasi sakto yung 50 kilos ko. Tapos,
Pa talagang earration pati sa pag-aaral.
kaya,
Kasi hindi sila masyado. Philippine carrier.
Philippine Airlines talaga. Sumukong Philippine Airlines. 30 kilos yun. Sige. Boarding. Going to. It's almost 2:20. My flight is 4:20. So, it's okay. I have time. I-travel. We need to i-travel. I need to close first because I need to go.